Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you want to install the clean Windows without bloatware and automate the Windows 11 installation process, so this video is for you. So Windows 11, when you install it, generally comes with the pre-install apps, so you can remove them, and also you can automate the Windows 11 without clicking on the. So we can do this process with the help of XML file provided by this website. Just need to go to this website, generate auto unintended.xml file. Once you search that, you will go to this first website, and once you launch it, I have already launched this website. So we have another option also, that is Windows 11 ITO, Internet of Things. But the downside of this version, this is valid for only 90 days of trial period. This is provided by the Microsoft. And this option, we have also another option, that is this website. You just need to go to this website, and we just need to put the XML file inside our Windows 11 genuine ISO file. So you can download the Windows 11 ISO file directly from the Microsoft website. So let me do. You just need to come over to this website and select your ISO file from here. Just click on download, select your language, confirm it, and simply download it. So this will take some time guys. As you can see here, it is going to take almost 30 minutes. So I have already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. Just I'm showing you how you can do that as well. So we can automate the Windows 11 as well as we can customize the installation bloatware free system. So head over to this website. Now we just need to do some changes here in order to generate the XML file. Head over to this website, select your language, now scroll down and look for your home location, whichever. I'm choosing here India, and select the language during the Windows setup. So go ahead with this option. This is already tick 64-bit Intel and AMD. Allow Windows 11 to be installed without the internet connection. You just need to remove the Wi-Fi or the external cable. So in order to work this option, you have to remove the Wi-Fi access as well as the Ethernet connection. Choose your hostname here. Let me give it to test and leave this option as it is. Just scroll down a little bit. Let Windows determine region for you, so you can set up it manually here. Inside here, click on this option, let Windows set a wipe partition of your format your data. So all the data will be lost from your Windows drive, that is the C drive. Okay, this is a clean installation. This is a 300 partition, but you can make it bigger as well. So leave it 300 now, and install the recovery partition. Set it to 1024 MB. Now scroll down and use this option, use a generic product key. This will help you to install the clean Windows. So if you select this option, enter your own product key during the Windows setup. You have to manually enter that, so we can do it later as well. We can manually change the product key. Let Windows setup create the following local account. So local account name, admin, password you can put it, and the group which you want to set, that should be auto administrator. The first user should be administrator, and you can type for the password which you already want, like so. Second username, I don't want to give it. Log on to the first administrator account created above. Just tick that option. Just scroll down. Password policy, just leave it default as well. And account lockout policy, also leave this option default. 10 failed login attempt. If you want to disable it, you can disable it also. File explorer tweaks, just leave it default as well. Now inside here you can change some settings here. Disable widgets, so these are the widgets here you will see on your Windows. So it will disable. Use the classic content, left alignment, just leave it this. Delete preset icons like file pass or no, just hide the task view button from the taskbar. Just need to tick this option, disable widgets. Also tick this option, disable fast startup. You can also tick this option, prevent Windows update from the rebooting your computer. So this will not automatically restart your system. Tick this option, disable app suggestion content delivery manager. Virtual machine support, just leave it blank. Configure Wi-Fi integrated during the Windows, just skip this option also. Disable all. Windows app will not send diagnostic data. Personalize your location history to Microsoft. This is automatically tick. Just leave it as default. Color personalization, leave all things default here. Desktop defaults. Now this is very important. Remove bloatware. Here you need to give focus on it. What you want to keep. If you want to keep these all the options, you can leave all the settings. But if you want to remove the bloatware like Copilot, if you don't want Maps, OneDrive, Open SSH client, if you don't use the SSH, Quick Assist is the remote session, Skype, Teams, Xbox if you don't play the game, Bing search also I don't want, Clipchamp, Cortana, Feedback Hub, Tips, Wallet, Windows, your phone, Calculator, Clock, Mail, Get Help. Also I don't want to do this. News, Office 365. So these all options are depend on you. which you want to remove and which you want to tick. So if you tick these options, these software will be removed from your installation. If you select all, so all the selected software will be removed. That is not recommended. I have done this. You can also done it according to your preferences. Use the default tiles, remove all pins. Just, yeah, that is good. Just need to drag it down. Now once you have done all the setting, check once again and tick all the boxes according to your preferences. Now inside here you need to click on this option which says download XML file. Just click on that option and you can see here it is downloaded successfully now. Okay, so once you have downloaded the XML file on your Windows, we need to create the Windows 11 bootable. So type here Rufus. Now let's create the bootable pen drive with the help of Rufus. Just click on this option, first link. Go for a standard version, just click on exe, just hit the download option. Close the advertisement. So once you have downloaded the Rufus, just need to double click on it and insert your pen drive inside your system and go to select the ISO file. Once you have select your ISO file, you just need to untick all the boxes. Okay, click on OK. All the data will be lost from your drive. Okay, and let it make the ISO file. So this process will make the ISO file to bootable pen drive. Now once the bootable pen drive is done, you need to close this and now you need to cut and paste this XML file inside your bootable pen drive. Right click on it, cut it from here, then go to your USB pen drive, double click on it and you just need to paste it here like this. So once you have cut and paste the XML file unattended on your bootable pen drive, just you need to cross this out, unplug your USB from here and then you need to insert into your system. All the installation will be automatically done inside your system. So after that you will see the start menu is clean on your Windows 11 and without bloatware. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.